So first step is close that window welcome page. Right. Go and click on the LDAP server tab. No, not the connection, the one next to it. LDAP server. Right click, new server. Pick the latest one, 200. Finish. Okay. Start it. Double. Okay. Now double click. Look under partitions. So what we are going to do is, by default, it comes with a standard schema example.com. We are going to create our own thing. So we are going to create our new partition and call it Sharma Labs. So add. Name it anything that you want. Doesn't matter. Sharma Labs. Sure. In the suffix part, we will have DC equals Sharma Lab. DC equal BMI. DC equal Emory. DC equal edu. Add it. Just save. That should be good. Save. Control S. Alright. But now you need to restart the server for the changes to take place.
Yeah.
Okay. So click on this.
Yeah.
Right click. New. Or no, hold on. Create a connection. Now this is the client side of things. That's the server and this is the client view.
Alright.
Look under DIT. Alright. You see that entry? DC equals Sharma Lab. That's what we are going to work with.
Okay.
So right now it doesn't have any entry. We are going to create two entries. The first one would be for groups. Another one would be for users.
Okay.
The one that we create for groups, we will call it OU equal groups. So let's do a right click on that. New context entry. Create from scratch. This should be, just give me a second. This should be organizational unit. From the drop down, or just look for organizational unit. Add. Okay. Next. From the drop down, choose that and edit this. No, edit this. Say OU equals group. No, prefix. That should be the prefix. Go to the first line, first character.
Oh, okay.
OU equals groups. Finish. So that's where we are going to create all our groups.
Yeah.
Similarly, create another entry, or actually I'll show you a shortcut. Copy this and paste it here.
Yeah.
Rename entry. Change from groups to people. P-E-O-P-L-E. Okay. Alright. So this is where we are going to create new users. So let's create a new user first. New. Context entry. Yeah. Sure. Next. This would be. This would be init org person. Next. So the DN of this guy would be, DN should always be unique, distribution name. So prefix this with cn equals admin, small, comma, ou equals people. Yeah. All right. So these are the mandatory fields. OU. Hold on. This is
OU is a group. We don't have a group right now.
Oh no. You init org person, right? Yeah, why do we have person?
Let me go back.
There is one entry which shouldn't be asking you. Init org organization person.
Delete it.
You can hold on. There's one more entry. Init org organization person. Organizational unit. You need to remove that. Yeah. Okay. Now.
What about this one?
No, that's fine. This is just a person. This is not organization unit. SN is last name, so give any random last name. And just so that it doesn't complain, although this attribute is now not required because you removed the other class, just give any name. It's not required. Actually delete this attribute from the cross button. Yeah. Finish. Now you need to enter the password for this guy. So right click, add, there is a plus button. The first option there. The first enabled option, yeah. New attribute. Look for user password. No, user password. Yeah. Next. Next. Finish. Enter the password. Okay. Alright. So after having created the first person, now you can create copy paste and create multiple persons.
Okay. But I can also do that from your side now.
Yes.
Okay, so why don't you...
No, not person. You can add groups, not persons. Difference.
Okay, so let's add another user. So now you should be able to connect to this guy from your side.
Yes, I should be.
So what do you need in order to connect?
And also, since we don't have any groups, let's create one simple group. New entry. And just give it any name right before OU equals group. CN equals the name of the group. No, don't edit this text. Yeah. CN equals, call it administrator group or test group. Yeah, doesn't matter. Next. No, then create. Copy paste the whole thing. Oh, sorry, copy the whole thing. Create entry from scratch. Next. Here, group of unique names. Yep. Next. Copy paste. So here you should enter cn equals admin, the whole thing. Cn equals admin, ou equals people. There you go. That's it. So now let's do the Rakshak installation right from scratch from your machine.
Okay. So where is Rakshak?
Go to the downloads directory. Wait, can you see if the process is running?
Stop audio recording. Stop.